Hi Paige, I'm making this video so you can see what it looks like when I am looking at your piece. Okay, that's at 68%. This is 100. I don't know what's going on with your images, but they're coming across really blurred. Look at this apple. That's what things look like in Photoshop. So, how did you create this? Is this a PowerPoint? I recommend just doing it, putting every page together in Illustrator and then making a multi-page PDF. Or, I mean, I'm not sure what the settings are in PowerPoint. I don't use that very much, but there must be a setting to make the images high res. Um, but otherwise, I'd like to hear what you changed. I do see you added some clouds there. Did you do anything else, though? I remember I had a critique about the stem. It looks like you changed the font here, which was a good idea. You changed the type. There's still too much of it, though. It's too much to read. And then you've got inconsistent spacing within these little wobbly boxes. So there's like a centimeter here, and then it's half a centimeter over here, and then there's zero space over here. You just want to be consistent. You want it to be easy to read, quick to take in. Like I said, cut all this content in half, and that way you can give consistent spacing for every section. All right, so that's it. Anyway, keep working on this since it's more than just this class. This is something you'll use for your portfolio. So you want to spend the time now to go in and make everything look as fantastic as possible. Let me know if you have any questions.